Ok Kalys, c'est bien maintenant. Nous allons faire le studio tour présenté par Jimmy Fallon.
If you'd like to have your picture taken with the iconic starlet, if you'd like to purchase refreshments, you can do so behind me. And the tour is going to your left.
Marilyn Monroe.
The entrance to the door is to your left.
Jimmy Fallon. Take it away, Jimmy.
Petite rame pour faire le studio tour.
This is how some of the largest sets in movie history, like Frankenstein's Lab.
C'est là qu'ils tournent The Voice. Ouais, même entre les studios, il y a des noms de rues pour ne pas se perdre. L'espace c'est énorme. Regarde, c'est à l'intérieur d'un vrai studio. Il y a même un café pour ceux qui travaillent là. Là, il y a des petites maisons parce qu'il y en a qui habitent là. Des fois, les tournages c'est tellement long.
So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
Back to the past, Flintstone foot pedal cars. Guys, you can't talk about fast cars in movies without at least mentioning the Fast and Furious, one of Universal's largest franchises to date. We also have some picture cars there from Jurassic World. I have Al Roker. He wants to tell you a little bit about our forecast for the backlot today.
Ah, ça va être rempli d'eau dans quelques secondes. Il simule la
It
pluie.
shoots water, we're gonna drown, so let's turn that water off. Guys, what's going on? What? Oh my gosh, that is a flash flood. Okay, this is not good. You guys might get a little bit wet there in the back cars. Ew.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe quand il y a un tremblement de terre dans une station de métro? Eh bien, regarde bien à droite et à gauche.
That we have here on the Universal backlot.
Camion pétrolier.
We're gonna get through this, I promise. Fine. Okay, car one, we have a train headed straight for us. I'm gonna need you to take cover. Whoa, that was close. Okay, I think that was the last of it. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here right now. Oh my goodness. Get us out of here, Ryan.
Regarde, il n'y a pas. C'est ce qu'on met en place.
Everyone okay? I fell out of my seat.
Ce qu'on met en place pour le
Oh my gosh, it's so. We also have a police diver.
Dans la mer, regarde.
In
Regarde.
the water doing. Oh my gosh, that is not good. Okay, George, I need you to get out of the water, bud. George, hey bud, get out of the water, man. George, there's a shark. As soon as you came up, he went under. George, yell if you can hear me. Okay, good. He at least can hear me. That's good.
George, il est dans l'eau avec le requin.
Oh, that does not sound like.
Ah, George, il s'est fait manger par le requin.
Oh, gross. Okay. We should just go. George and I, we were chums. This tour could just not get any crazier. This is okay. You guys, I don't know how many notes we're doing. We should just go. Let's just go. Let's just get out of here.
Regarde le requin. Wow.
In Hollywood, we have the Bates Motel and the Psycho House right here. And oh, look guys, Norman is here. Oh, that's cool. We never get to see Norman. What you doing, bud? Oh my gosh. What is going on? Oh, guys. Oh, guys, that's not good. Ryan, we should go. Ryan, we should get out of here. Let's go, Ryan. Ryan, what are you looking at? Ryan, come on, man. Okay, I'm so sorry, Norman. I'm so sorry, we didn't see anything. The fourth car probably saw something. We didn't see anything at all. Oh my gosh. Fourth car, I'm so sorry that I sold you out. Bye-bye.
Il y a eu un crash d'avion par là.
And just past the Psycho House, we have one of the most amazing sets here on the Universal backlot. This is the crash site set for Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds.
La reconstitution d'un crash d'avion.
Again, to sit down to talk about the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
And the driver has been positively identified as Dominic Toretto.
What?
And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw. We're moving your vehicle to a safe location until we have the situation under control. Until then,
Like, I guess I can get used to this.
Everybody out! The FBI! Put this music on!
try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
Yeah, let him talk to you like that, Ryan?
Bien sûr, c'était avec les lunettes 3D, donc forcément, quand je filmais sans les lunettes, ça me rendait moins bien. Mais avec les lunettes, c'est vraiment top. Donc là, nous sommes près du show des effets spéciaux. Ah, il y a une petite boutique production centrale. Moteur demandé. Action. Heureusement que j'ai pas mis le doigt. Ah oui, ça c'est ce qu'on utilisait au cinéma dans le temps. Moteur demandé. Action. Bravo Kalys.
On m'a toujours pas dit où se trouvait le train des effets spéciaux.
Alors je vais te montrer ça.